Now let's see these assignment operators. So if you have an expression like this, I equal to I plus 2, here I want to increment the value of I by 2 and I want to store the result in the variable I itself. Now whenever you are going to write like this, it is there is a shorthand notation which you could use in this place. So if I directly write I plus is equal to this, it is enough, right? Now the same meaning, so whatever is the meaning of this one is equal to the meaning of this. So this is as good as writing I equal to I plus 2, right? When will it be useful is if these expressions are very big and if you have to repeat it, then it is going to be useful, right? So just see this one. If you have an expression, let us say I have something like this, expression 1 is equal to expression 1 operator expression 2. If I have something like this, right, then this entire thing is as good as writing like this, expression 1 op is equal to expression 2. And what could be this operator? It can be any binary operator you can think of, right? It can be plus, minus, star, division, or bitwise operators, right? So if you can replace any of these in place of op, then you can write it this way. Okay.